What's up guys, this is Steve for Android at Night and I've been trawling the Play Store for 10 more great Android apps for you, so sit back, relax and I hope you enjoy. First up we have Dingless, and this is a really simple app which will stop your phone giving you notifications if you're holding it. This means you're not going to keep getting bleeps and vibrations when your phone is in your hand and you're looking at the screen. But then when you put your phone down or if it's in your pocket, you'll still receive them as normal. Next up we have Ike, and this is a fantastic to-do list. So as well as curating your to-dos, this is also a great place to put in some of your goals. You can add each to-do or goal to a sublist, so I have a YouTube one and a poetry one. You can then add images, text notes and reminders. Next up we have Paper Spot, and this is a really simple app which allows you to set your wallpaper dependent on where you are. You set up these different geo fences, so for example you can set one around your home, and then whenever you're at home your wallpaper will be changed to a specific wallpaper. Then if you go outside of this geo fence you can have it changed to something else. If you go to work you can set one for there, and it allows you to take a little bit more control over your phone's wallpapers. Sticking to the wallpaper theme, we have Google Wallpapers, and this is the new wallpaper app from the Pixel. Although it is slightly stripped back, you don't have the same live wallpapers that you do get on the Google Pixel and Pixel XL. This serves up different categories of wallpaper, and the really cool thing is you can set daily wallpaper to automatically rotate your wallpaper every day, and you can just set it once and forget about it. Next we have Custom Search Bar Widget, and this is a great search bar for people who run very minimal home screens. So when you tap the widget it'll allow you to search, but underneath you can add different shortcuts to apps or other shortcuts to things across your device. As I said, this is fantastic if you run a minimal home screen. You can pretty much have a completely blank home screen with just a search bar and a collection of some of your most used apps. Next up we have Framelapse, and this is a really easy to use free time-lapse app. You can change how long it takes between each frame, and there are also some really cool effects you can add as well. I've been using this for a lot of my videos to create the time lapses, and I think the quality is actually really good. The quality is obviously going to depend on your phone, but even on a Nexus 5 I think the results are really impressive. Next on this list we have Drippler, and although this isn't one of the newest apps in the world, it's been recently updated to include a new wizard option. This is a really good news app to get information about Android. It pulls stories from across the web. But the really cool new feature is the wizard option. This is an AI which you can talk to and it will try and solve your problems. If the AI can't solve it for you, it will pass it on to a tech wizard, and these are real people who respond pretty much in real time to most of your questions. Next on this list we have Lockwatch, and this is a really simple app that I cannot recommend more highly. If someone incorrectly locks your phone, this will send a geolocation as well as a selfie from the front-facing camera to your email address. This is really useful if you lose your phone or if you just want to see who's trying to get into your phone when you're not about. Next on this list we have the Simpacks icon pack, and this is one of my new favourite icon packs. It's got a really nice smooth matte feel, but the colours also look fantastic on an AMOLED screen. As well as the icons, there are some really nice flat material-ish kind of wallpapers. And finally on this list we have the Flat UI Zooper theme. This is absolutely one of my favourite Zooper themes at the moment. I think the developers are about 16 or 17, there's a bunch of guys who've developed it. These search bars are some of my favourite, and I don't like particularly the new Pixel search, but I think this as a reimagining of it is absolutely beautiful. I'm not being sponsored or paid to promote any of these apps, but if there's one app on this list that I really want you guys to go and download and show some love to the developers, it has to be the Flat UI Zooper theme, because the attention to detail in this pack is absolutely phenomenal, and if you're looking for something clean, material and modern, then Flat UI is definitely for you. There you are guys, I hope you enjoyed that list. Please let me know which apps you have been using in the comments below. Go ahead and like this video if you've enjoyed it. Please also subscribe if you haven't already. You can follow me on all my social media whatnots with the links in the description. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Peace.